Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Gmail account unable to access a Google product. Just simply go to the URL and search for fast.com. And from here guys, just make sure you have a working internet connection because sometimes when the internet is slow, it will not work, and make sure you are running the best performance of your internet. And now, another option is just simply select the three dots on the top right corner and then go for the settings down below. And from here, go for the privacy and security on the left side of the screen. And just simply go for delete browsing data over here at the first one. And after that, just simply go for the last hour over here and select the time range as all time, and make sure to delete the cookies and other site data and the cache images and files. And pretty much the browsing history will be depending on you, but most importantly, these two is the most important thing. And just simply click on delete data, and after that you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.